Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best Falscara Overnighter is probably one of the most versatile and convenient travel companions you can find, designed to keep your essentials organized and accessible throughout your journey, whether it's a quick weekend getaway or an extended adventure, ensuring you have everything you need without the bulk. Number 5. Lumify Redness Relief Eye Drops. Discover Lumify Redness Relief Eye Drops, your solution for brighter eyes. Experience a visible difference in just 1 minute. These innovative eye drops are designed to make your eyes appear whiter and brighter. Achieve a refreshed look that lasts. Enjoy rapid results as it works in just 1 minute. Get the confidence of visibly whiter eyes without delay. The effects are long-lasting, providing up to 8 hours of brightness. Keep your eyes looking their best throughout the day. See the difference for yourself. It's formulated to deliver noticeably whiter and brighter looking eyes. This convenient 0.25-ounce bottle contains everything you need. Achieve the bright eyes you desire with ease. What we like. This product offers incredibly fast results, making your eyes appear whiter and brighter in just 1 minute. The effects are long-lasting, providing up to 8 hours of enhanced appearance. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to refresh tired-looking eyes for a special occasion or just a daily boost, this is a great choice. What people say. The Falscara Overnighter is designed for overnight wear, offering a comfortable and secure fit that stays in place throughout the night. Its innovative design ensures a natural look and feel, making it an ideal choice for those seeking subtle enhancement without compromising on comfort. The product's functionality is highlighted by its ease of application and removal, contributing to a hassle-free experience for the user. Number 4. Kiss Falscara DIY Eyelash Extension Wisps. Get the look of professional eyelash extensions right at home. These wisps provide a natural, lengthened appearance that's truly authentic. Experience incredible comfort with these featherlight wisps. They are designed for multiple uses, offering great value and convenience. Applying them is simple and straightforward, allowing you to customize your lash look with ease. Achieve stunning results in minutes. These mini lash clusters are perfect for adding length and definition. They blend seamlessly with your natural lashes for a fuller effect. With a multipack of 24, you'll have plenty of wisps to create your desired look. Enjoy beautiful, extended lashes whenever you want. Enjoy a natural enhancement that mimics the appearance of traditional lash extensions. They are designed for a comfortable and authentic feel. What we like. These offer a featherlight feel and a reusable design for multiple applications. They provide an authentic eyelash extension look without the salon visit. If you desire the voluminous look of lash extensions but prefer a DIY approach and want to reuse them, these are perfect for you. What people say. The Falscara Overnighter is designed to be worn overnight, offering a convenient way to achieve longer-looking lashes without daily application. Its unique design allows for comfortable wear throughout the night, ensuring lashes are gently styled while you sleep. The product is crafted with materials that are safe for sensitive skin and designed for repeated use, making it a practical choice for lash enhancement. Number 3. Kiss Falscara Wispy Wisps. Achieve the authentic eyelash extension look right at home. These wispy wisps offer a natural, featherlight feel for comfortable all-day wear. Crafted from synthetic fibers, they are incredibly lightweight and designed for multiple uses. Enjoy beautiful lashes again and again. This multipack provides 24 mini lash clusters, giving you plenty of options to customize your look. Create your perfect lash style with ease. Get the coveted eyelash extension appearance without the salon visit. These clusters blend seamlessly with your natural lashes for a flawless finish. Whether you desire a subtle enhancement or a more dramatic effect, these wisps are your secret to stunning, natural-looking lashes. What we like. Experience a featherlight touch and the convenience of reusable clusters for a natural-looking extension effect. They are designed to mimic the appearance of professional lash extensions. If you're seeking a wispy, natural-looking lash enhancement that you can easily apply and reuse at home, consider these. What people say. This is a great product for overnight trips. It is very convenient to use and carry around. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits all my essentials. Number 2. Lash Clusters DIY Lash Extension. Discover the secret to beautiful, voluminous lashes. Our individual lash clusters allow for a personalized, DIY extension experience right at home. With lengths ranging from 8mm to 16mm, you can create any look you desire. Achieve a wispy, natural volume or a dramatic, full effect. Designed for ultimate comfort, these clusters feel incredibly soft and lightweight. You'll forget you're even wearing them. The super thin band makes application a breeze, blending seamlessly with your natural lashes. Plus, they are reusable from multiple wears. Get the perfect volume and wispy finish you've always wanted. These individual clusters provide a natural yet enhanced appearance. Elevate your beauty routine with these versatile lash clusters. They are your perfect companion for any occasion, offering salon-quality results. What we like. This pack provides a generous quantity of individual lash clusters in various lengths for customizable volume and a wispy effect. The super thin band ensures a comfortable and natural feel. If you love experimenting with different lash looks, want to add significant volume, or prefer a very natural-looking band, this multipack is an excellent option. What people say. It is a very good product. This is a very good product. Number 1. VLuxe DIY Eyelash Extension Overnighter. Discover the revolutionary VLuxe DIY Eyelash Extension Overnighter, designed to keep your lashes looking flawless. It's your secret to extended wear, lasting up to 14 days. Experience the innovative dual-head design. One side primes and preps your natural lashes, while the other expertly seals your extensions for a secure hold. Start with the bond head for a perfect prep. It primes your natural lashes beautifully, leaving no white residue behind. The seal side locks your lash cluster securely. Enjoy a lasting hold that keeps your extensions looking impeccable all day long. Our formula is crafted with non-damaging ingredients. It's gentle on your natural lashes, ensuring their health and integrity are maintained. Achieve smudge-free, extended wear for up to 14 days. This sealant is safe for your natural lashes, providing confidence and beauty. What we like. This product features a unique dual-head design for priming and sealing your lash extensions. It promises long-lasting wear of up to 14 days and is safe for your natural lashes. If you're looking for an extended wear solution that ensures your DIY lash extensions stay put without damaging your natural lashes, this sealer is the ideal choice. What people say. The Falscara Overnighter is designed for overnight use, offering a convenient solution for lash enhancement. Its unique design allows for easy application and removal, making it suitable for individuals seeking a hassle-free lash routine. The product's functionality is focused on providing a subtle yet noticeable boost to natural lashes, perfect for those who prefer a more understated look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.